Hi, this is my concept mapped. I chose Crow Vending Machine, Penguin Guard Dogs, and MRI Dogs. Across all of them, um, there was um, operant and classical conditioning shown um, for Penguin Guard Dogs, Crows, and MRI Dogs. Luring was important for crows, placing peanuts on the machine to get them used to going there. For the dogs, physically taking them to the location where they needed to be, showing them where the birds were, and for MRI dogs, luring them into the initial device via food and getting them to be comfortable there. I did notice between the crows and the penguin dogs, there's examples of animals teaching animals. The crows would observe others getting rewards by dropping coins in the machine, and they would replicate that behavior. For the penguin guard dogs, they would bring in older dogs that were more experienced as sort of examples for the younger dogs to pick up on what behaviors were appropriate. Um, all three of these required multiple steps. It was not just one simple action that was done. There's examples of classical and operant conditioning. For the crows specifically, they took advantage of them being highly adaptive and quick learners. For penguin guard dogs, they utilized natural instincts of wanting to protect their boundaries. And ultimately, all three of these um, the takeaway was training animals to either help people or help other animals. For crows, it was the possibility of helping to pick up trash and stuff like that, the dogs to protect the penguins, and then MRI dogs for people to learn more about the brain function of dogs.